In front of me is R2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on security. Then choose screen lock and pick one of those lock-on methods. When you're ready, create it, choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit confirm. Now select one of those options for your lock screen notifications and hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!